Hello guys, this is Vaish. The 2021 test series batch, it was already full and we had to stop the enrollment, but there were many more students who wanted to join, and more than 200 or I think 250 students had got the brochure from us, but they could not make the payment on time. The offers were expired, and they were again asking like, will you please restart it again? So we have decided to put up batch 2. The teaser was already out. You can see the 30-second teaser first before we go on to the proceedings, because this will show you a gist of what the course is about. So this timetable explanation video, this is what I'll be doing it right now through this video. So those who are for coming to this channel for the first time, just search Vaishya IAS. You will get this YouTube channel, and then click on subscribe button so that you will be seeing all the free videos. Okay, because whatever lectures are taken here is completely free. Okay, in the playlist section, if you go, you will get history NCERT, geography NCERT, history spectrum, R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, environment. There are many playlists, and whatever is not complete will be continued after some time. Now the time is the test series timings. That is why I am held up in those things. Okay, because the student count is increasing every day, so we have to give a high quality thing to them. Okay, because it's a paid course. These free initiatives will continue, but after some time. But unless you don't subscribe, you will not be notified of the things which happens here. So start learning for free. Okay, all these NCERTs is obviously what you have to start studying now. To tell about this test series, prelims and mains was launched last month, and June 19th onwards, students have started studying. Okay, and that launch video will be here. If you see here, this one, this is the prelims plus mains timetable video, 365 days, which started on June 19th, and this is the related enrollment video. Okay, the test brochure, everything is explained here. So these two videos you can watch first, 1 hour. Okay, this will clearly explain you the entire course. Now what we have done is we are relaunching the same thing for a batch 2 for those students who wanted to enroll again, but they thought like it's already started in June, so what to do now? How will I again start? These many days are missed. So that 30-40 days which got over now today, by July mid, we are going to adjust the date for you. Okay, and a new timetable is launched. So this test series is going to be the same thing, same set of tests, same set of schedules and all, but the dates of the initial few tests have been slightly adjusted so that you can catch up with the other batch. Okay, so it will be 325 days like I told, from this August to the next June 2021. Both prelims and mains is taken care here, and this is only launched because the students wanted to join. Okay, those who missed. So there will be no batch 3. Okay, if students are thinking like, okay, no, batch 2 has come, after a few months batch 3 will come, you should understand that to study a course of this much big magnitude, okay, 75 prelims test and around 21 mains test, we need like weekly gap. Okay, in 1 year you will get only 52 weekends. Okay, so in 1 year, if we do a batch 3 after 3 months or 4 months, you will not get 300 odd days to study. Okay, now is the right time. If you start right now, 300 plus days you are getting, and you can do like in a very relaxed manner. Every week you can study one subject or one test, and it will be retained in your mind. You will get at least 2 to 3 revisions times. Okay, at the last you will get at least 2 to 3 time revision chances for all the subjects. Else you will be simply by hearting all the things, and you will not recollect it for the exam. So these slides are all the same thing which we explained in the other video. So only the important ones I'll explain to you so that you understand the new timetable and the new changes. Okay, so this dream timetable which we call batch 2, 325 days, the studies will start in August 1. Okay, that means you have to start studying on August 1, because now it's July 24 today. You have 7 days to think and pay money and enroll and get the schedule, get into the mood. You have 1 week left. Okay, so enroll to it, and then August 1 onwards sit and study. Okay, based on what we give in the timetable. Test will be also given. So this has to be serious. This is only for students who wants to sit and study. Okay, if you're planning to like pile up things, okay, like you get a lot of freebie magazines on the internet and all, you simply store it in your computer, then please don't enroll. Okay, we need only the most serious aspirants, because we are looking for good results also after the exam. It's not like we give it to some 1,000 students and then none of them clears. We need the best, even if it's just 100 people, we need only the best 100 people. Okay, because we have at least some guarantee that they will clear exam, or if they don't clear, they will be at least ready for the next year's exam. Okay, so as I told, August 1 you have to start studying, and August 16th you will get the first NCERT test. Okay, that schedule I'll show you. And how did we adjust that 365 days timetable to 325, that also I will tell you. Like for example, like current affair test and all, like June current affair, June is already over, so June current affair test was also one of the test in the schedule of the older one. So what we did is we removed that from that one, and when you join on August 1, the first day itself we'll give you the June current affair, so that we don't have to waste one weekend for that, because there is nothing specific you have to study for a June test now. Okay, because the month is already over. Hopefully you have read the newspapers or whatever. If you have not done also, our test, June current affair test alone, will be sufficient for you to do the 1 month current affair. Okay, so that will be given to you day 1 itself, and 2 days will be allotted for studying that. Okay, so these are some feedbacks. You can pause and see. Already one video is out with the same thumbnail. This, when we launched it, we got excellent feedback from many students, so 2-3 screenshots were shown in that video, so you can pause it and watch it again. Okay, and these are again same about the students who are already done the studies from last month. So they have got the geography test, they have got the history test. So these are all the feedbacks of that. And as I told, please subscribe. Now moving ahead, watch the video till the end, because this is the biggest test series in the country, and you will know why it is the biggest test series when I show you the test and Excel sheet and all those things. And the 10 promises which we do to every batch. So if you are a student who have already seen this, you can skip to the later part of this video. So these are the promises which we make. Okay, we will make you the most competitive aspirant in the country. We will make you cover 100% UPSC syllabus except optional and CSAT. Okay, there will be some days allocated for studying optionals and CSAT, but we don't give you any test related to that. Okay, our test will cover only the other papers, GS 1, 2, 3, 4 of mains, essay, ethics, case study, and prelims, the paper 1 GS portions. Okay, which includes all the subjects, but CSAT we will not do. Then we'll make you learn at least 2 to 3 years of current affairs. Okay, the 12 months of current affair is built in the package itself. The remaining older ones, it's personal choice, because maybe older students need not buy it, you will already have it. But maybe if you are seeing the channel for the first time, you can enroll according to that. And we'll make you learn previous year papers. Okay, I will be putting out free videos for that, but that will come at a later time. Till then, I have already told you in my book list video, get a book which is there in Flipkart, Amazon, and do the test. Okay, that also is allocated in the timetable. Every day 10 MCQs or 20 MCQs you will be doing. Then we'll make you read every NCERT and needed standard textbook. Okay, it's all about self-studying, but we will tell you what to study, which chapter to study, what to do in each day. Okay, and NCERT is almost everything. Free videos are available on our channel. Will make you study every minute subtopic of the syllabus. Okay, because students' problem is they don't know what comes in GS1, what comes in GS2, like solar energy, where in which paper it will come. It will come in GS3. Okay, or like India-China relation, it will come in GS2. Globalization will come in GS1. So that kind of topic mapping people don't know. So that is what will be covered. Okay, that will be covered means we will not be teaching you, but we will be telling you which day to do what. So you have to simply read it. Okay, research on it when from Google or any YouTube video or anything. But we will tell you so that you don't miss any topic. Every word from the syllabus has been taken, put in the Excel sheet. Okay. Will make you learn at least 10,000 UPSC MCQs, that is 7,500 MCQs we will be giving you as part of package, and that will be the highest quality in the country. Okay, that I can promise you on every subject. And remaining 2,500 you will get covered when you do this 25 years of paper. Okay, this UPSC paper, when you do that will get over. So 10,000 quality MCQs you will study. Then we will make you write 500 quality mains answers. Okay, in that also around 280 or I think around 300. It will be part of the mains test series. You will be writing, I will be evaluating, giving you marks, giving you report card, giving you feedback, so that by the end of that full package, full course, that is from October to February, it will go 5 months, you will be writing brilliant answers and you will improve your answer writing skill. And on WhatsApp and email you can ask questions on whatever thing, like even if you are enrolled to only prelims, even then after prelims also you can stay in touch with us in WhatsApp or email. Okay, but see to it that the queries are not very inappropriate or very childish or some things which you have already answered in the video. So make sure that you see things like video link if we give, watch that video, then only ask questions. Okay, because we cannot engage in conversation with everyone all the time. then we'll update materials for any mistakes. Okay, because when this much big course is given to you, this much big PDFs and test series, everything is given to you, this will obviously have human errors. There will be mistakes, there will be some like true or false statements, or something might be misplaced. So you can point it out and we will be happy to correct it. Okay, but let us know, don't worry that some printing mistake is there. So this is how the 10 promises which we do since last 4 years we are doing, and so that's why students trust this source much better than the other sources which are available. So 1 year detailed study timetable. It is designed for the most serious aspirants who dream of clearing UPSC 2021. Okay, by being a part of Vaishya. So this timetable is given to only those who are enrolled to us, because there are many students who come and ask me, give me the Excel sheet. You are not our student. We don't have to give you the Excel sheet, because the Excel sheet is designed to do our test. We are not telling you to do anything else. We are asking you to do our test every week. So obviously you don't have our test, so obviously you will not get the timetable. So please understand that minimum logic. Okay, because we don't want to give you. If you are not a student, watch the video, make your own timetable, sit at home, make an Excel sheet. It's not a big thing. But all our students will get that Excel sheet. Okay, because you are part of us. So daily 8 to 12 hours of study is what is expected. I think at least average 9 hours in 3 slots. Okay, like 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, morning 3 hours, afternoon 3 hours, and evening 3 hours. Like that, 9 hours is what we are expecting of a full-time aspirant. And if you're a working aspirant, 5 to 6 hours, that is, you have to shrink some part. Okay, you have to take lesser breaks, or you have to do some faster studies, but that is how you can catch up, because obviously you are not quitting a job for UPSC, meaning that is more important to you. So obviously you have to adjust. Okay, you will not get that 8 hours which everybody else is getting. You have to do some sacrifices. This timetable covers both prelims and mains, including CSAT and optional, meaning the timetable covers it, meaning we are putting like maybe 10 days or maybe 10-20 hours for optional, means you can do your studies there, but we will not be giving you any test for that. But test series covers both prelims and mains except CSAT. Okay, hope you got the meaning. There are days allotted for CSAT and optional where you have to study from whatever sources you have, but test series is like this. Okay, it's a detailed schedule telling what subtopic or book to study each day, or what video on YouTube to be watched. Okay, like suppose for prelims everything will be there, but for mains, like suppose there is a day like solar energy, we are not going to give you any material for that. What you have to do is you have to simply search like solar energy schemes of India. Immediately the latest 2 schemes will come. Okay, whatever PDF comes, whatever government website comes, read that. It will take you maximum 1 hour, but maybe you have allocated 3 hours for that or 4 hours for that. So do some extra revision, make your own notes, or simply watch a Rajya Sabha TV episode. That's more than enough. Okay, 30 minutes episode will be there for any topic you imagine. Okay, any topic of UPSC, you take and put it in Rajya Sabha, you will get the video for that 30 minutes. You don't have to ask me like where to study, what to study. But if it's history, like world history and all, you have to look like channels like Mrinal, or maybe the world history textbook itself, or NCERTs are there. NCERT, I think class 9th and 11th, and Tamil Nadu textbook. There are a lot of topics, a lot of pages given for world history. Okay, and that's the best source. You have to do only that. Now videos will be limited, as I told, without a schedule, because it's not part of the course. Okay, we are not charging you anything for any videos, or we are not promising you any lectures or anything. Okay, those and all will be done for free on YouTube, but the test will be all guaranteed. Okay, what all tests are there, I will show you in the later part of this video. Now it is designed to be in sync with Vaishya's test series launching today. Okay, that means from today, after this video, enrollment is open. You can come and enroll. You have to just WhatsApp me and I'll give you the details. If you need installment options, that is also given, but don't ask for any more further discount, because we are already giving it a very low price compared to our full price, or compared to any other institute in this country. It is kept same as the batch 1. So if you have seen that video, you obviously would have guessed the price by now, but I'll show you now. So timetable final look. This is the batch 2 timetable which I have designed. So when you receive this Excel sheet, how it will be like, the first 2 tabs are index pages. Okay, why this index is given? Because many students have different versions of Lakshmikant or Lexicon. Okay, Lexicon is an ethics textbook. So how our test of Lakshmikant is designed is in such a way that we are giving you the chapter name, chapter number and all after each MCQ. So when we tell chapter number 40, or in the study timetable, if I tell you to study chapter 40, I am meaning this particular chapter. Okay, I don't care which edition you have. In your edition, whichever is this State Public Service Commission, you have to study that one on that day. Okay, this is mapped as per the 4th edition. Okay, but all these chapters will be there in your edition also. So study according to that. Okay, I'll explain to you again when we reach the dates, but this is a reference index. Okay, reference mapping to do our studies. Same way, Lexicon, ethics, every edition, whichever edition you have at your home, it will have Lexicon chapter 1 to 8. Okay, meaning even if the numbers are different, these chapters will be there. Okay, human interface, attitude, aptitude, all these things, and some codes will be there, and then another chapter for case studies will be there. So when I tell do chapter 3, I am intending that I want you to study aptitude and values. Okay, so in your textbook, whichever chapter number it is, do that. That is what is the meaning. That is why this mapping is given. And also please see to it that this has different tabs. Okay, last time also I remember one student enrolled, got this Excel sheet, and he told like, you have not given me anything, it is just some index. An Excel sheet is something where you will have different tabs. Okay, so the timetable will come in the upcoming tab, so click on each tab to know what the Excel sheet contains. So first one, as I told, August 1st you have to start studying. Okay, August 1st, here if you see August 1, Saturday, okay, that is the day when I want you to start studying. So as I told, the PT6, which was part of the course of the first batch, which started 1 month ago, there was a week allotted for that. Okay, but now because that month is over, when you join immediately, like today you join, today itself I'll give you this test, okay, like PT6. So, and I have put 2 days for that. So 2 days fully you have to just sit and study this thing. Okay, I guarantee you that even if you did not read one word of newspaper in the last 1 month, this test is alone sufficient. Okay, you can get more and more feedbacks. Go and check the comment section of my teaser video or any particular latest video related to test series. You will see a lot of comments from our students who have already enrolled to us. So if you do not believe in the things which we show you here, you can go and check the feedback from students. Okay, students like you who are participating and who are interacting with us. Okay, they have been also having the same dream like you, so they try to understand what they have gained, okay, out of this course. So like that, June current affair will be given first itself. Then you have to start studying. Like suppose if you see August 3 onwards, you will be studying textbooks, and these things, free videos are there already on Vaishya. If you see the Spectrum, if you see this NCERT 6, 7, 8 and 6 to 10th of geography, all these free lectures are there. So if you see here, we have put 3 hour slot. Okay, I think 3 plus 4 plus 2 we have put, that you can adjust any way which you like, because this much time won't be needed. Okay, because this video length is much more lesser. It's not like you need 4 hours to do this 3 videos. We need very less. So we have allotted like this so that a foundation is set. Okay, in the first 10-11 days we want you to have a strong foundation, because many questions will come in both prelims and mains from history and geography alone. So that is why this, in the 11 days if you do, you will feel very confident. Okay, because first thing is, even if you have not read the textbook, I have free videos for you. That is why this is put at the starting. Okay, so do this, and if you see 30 minutes I have put for Rajya Sabha TV practice, 30 minutes previous year questions will come in the next page onwards. So like that, we are putting you time for everything. Okay, so working aspirants who keep asking like, I don't have 8 hours, I don't have 9 hours, you have to shrink it. Like this 11 AM to 2 PM, you have to do it like 11 AM to 1 PM. You have to do like maybe 1 hour short you will get. Here also 1 hour short. Then don't take 1 hour break. Just take 20 minutes break or 15 minutes break. So like that, you have to do that sacrifice, because you are having job in your hand. The other students, though they don't have job, and they are ready to put 9 hours of their time. Okay, so understand the difference. So they are doing 9 hour studies, you have to do the same studies in 6 hours. So adjust it accordingly. Now please don't come and again ask working aspirant what to do. This is the answer for the working aspirants. Okay, so you will study this 11 days. Foundation will be set. 1 month of current affair you have done. You have a clear idea about how ICIS works, and then August 12th will come. When August 12th will come, you will be continuing your studies. Class 12th you will take. And why we are making you do this, our promise to you that is that not even one test you will take without studying about that test. Okay, the content for that you will be already studying. That is how this timetable is designed. We will not make you do any test without making you study. Okay, so because 6, 7, 8 you did, and now class 12 you are doing, see here, this next Sunday will come. Every Sunday when it comes, you will get a test. Okay, 1 or 2 tests. So here in this Sunday you will get 2 tests, and for that, studying that 2 tests, we are allocating 4 days for you. Okay, so these 4 days you have to study this test based on the things which you have already read, already watched video. Okay, so this is a revision for you actually, because this is taken line by line, word by word from the NCERT itself. I have personally drafted all these tests. Okay, so you will be doing this one in 4 days, and you are done with the strong foundation now, twice actually, through video and through test, or through your reading, whichever. And then class 12th you are like reading like this. If you see 11, 12, 11, 12, like this reading is going on, and you will get the test for that by this Sunday. Okay, Sunday 23rd. Now how this page, if you see, it's not 3 plus 3 plus 3. I have allocated 3 plus 3 plus 2 actually. Okay, where you will be doing 6 hours of prelim study, which will helpful for your mains also, plus 2 hours alone for mains. Meaning from starting day 1 itself, I am making you study something for mains also. So here if you see, one by one each day you will study international relation. Okay, And how to study? We will not be giving any material. Simply go to Rajya Sabha TV, Big Picture, or there is a playlist called India and the World. Okay, India and the World is a playlist in Rajya Sabha TV. I will make a separate video for Rajya Sabha TV someday. There will be debate or there will be discussion. 30 minutes video, 45 minutes video. Everything about India, China, from the Indian independence time till the present day issue, they will discuss there. Watch that video. Okay, in this 2 hours, this day, do only that video. Make your notes. Your India, China is done. Like that, India, Myanmar, India, Bangladesh. Every day, 2 hours if you do, you will be very, very strong. And I am promising you that none of your competitors outside YCIS are doing this. Okay, they are simply by hearting things given in the free materials or coaching materials and doing something. They have no clarity of what is prelims, what is mains, what to study. I am making you, or I am giving you the clarity. Okay, and this is not given by anyone in this country. So like this you'll be doing, and parallelly every day 30 minutes allocate for doing previous year MCQ. For this videos I'll make, but later, don't wait for that. Some of them are there. I think first 50-60 MCQs of 2019 is there. Go and watch that. But you have to buy that textbook which is there in the book list video, and daily do 20 MCQs. You need just 10 minutes to do that. Okay, by heart 10 MCQs, 20 MCQs, you need just 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's not a big thing. So daily do this also. Why I am making you do this is because your prelims, your mains, your separate mains study, and your these kind of things, Rajya Sabha TV, all this gets covered parallelly. Okay, by the time of October or November, you will be in a position that you may not even need anyone's guidance. Okay, you will be able to guide others. I promise you that I'll make you in such a level that you will be able to teach others. Okay, that much confidence you will have if you follow whatever I tell. Okay, this strictly if you follow. And then another thing, even if something goes pending, okay, like you fall sick or something happens, you have to catch up later. There'll be a lot of time for revision at the end. So don't worry if, like, suppose geography textbook you could not even touch, but the test data has come. Don't worry. This test, when you do, you will be actually doing the textbook reading itself, because this is taken line by line from the NCERT only. So don't at all worry if you miss studying anything on any day due to any reason. Okay, everything will be over. I guarantee you that, because you will be in touch with me on WhatsApp. So don't worry. So like this, NCERTs are over, mains is happening, you are moving to the next tab. So if you reach here by around August 27, your polity starts, meaning your history geography base is set. Now I am setting the next biggest thing, that is Lakshmikant polity, because at least 20 questions in prelims will come from polity. Okay, and mostly from Lakshmikant only. So that you will be studying. And if you see here, this Sunday I am giving you science test, 3 science tests together. Okay, this actually in the other batch it was split and given in 2 weeks, but here I am giving you together to cut short the time and to save some time so that you can reach with the other batch. Okay, and this one you don't have to worry. I don't want you to do any pre-studying for this. Okay, meaning in timetable you would not have seen anything like science, because I don't want you to study anything. When you get this test, okay, 300 MCQs, just do these 3 tests. Okay, it will take just 1 day or 1.5 days to do this, but I am allocating 2 days. Okay, this 2 days you will study 300 MCQs. Your science foundation will be set. Okay, from NCERT questions are there, from current affair questions are there, whatever you can imagine. Okay, robot or drones or cyber or anything, science related questions will be here. Static things. Okay, whatever is current affair will be coming in the current affair. Okay, latest one in every month. See, like here example, July month, you will get the July month current affair here. Okay, so 4 tests are given on 30th Sunday. So don't worry about this. These days are like not given randomly. I know how much time it will take, and that's why it's given. Okay, this 2 days you will study science test. This 2 days you will study just 100 MCQs of July. Okay, so like that, this will get over 4 days. Then you will continue reading your Lakshmikant. Why I am making you read this is because your polity test will start. Okay, next Sunday your polity test will start, and you will be ready for this if you read chapter 1 to 6 and chapter 7. This is a chapter wise test series. Okay, so it will be very comfortable for you. You can keep your Lakshmikant textbook aside, and you have to do, because Lakshmikant test will not have huge bulky explanation, because what a coaching institute do is they will put their own illogical explanation from some source, and it will not match with Lakshmikant. But I want you to study from Lakshmikant, so it will be given the answer sheet, answers document will be given the MCQ page chapter number with the page number. Okay, so go to your edition, 4th edition, 5th edition, wherever, in that chapter, read that paragraph. When you do 1 MCQ, read it. 2nd MCQ, read it. Like that, if you do 100 MCQs, you will be doing at least like 3 times revision, because one time you have read it when I told you to study, one time you are doing the test, and parallel you are seeing the Lakshmikant. So it's like 2.5 to 3 times of studying the same thing. Okay, so like this, Lakshmikant is going on. And if you see here, as I told, 3 plus 3 plus 2. So this 2 hours you are doing mains topics, main specific topics. Okay, like last tab, what we do? We did international relation, which is part of GS2. Now this tab we are doing some GS3 related thing. Indian diaspora is actually GS2. This flora fauna is GS3. Then India Africa again GS2. Then here UN environment, United Nations organization. This and all just the Wikipedia page I need you to read. Okay. Also, if you don't know, that day when the study day comes, I am there in WhatsApp. Just come and ask me. So I'll tell you read this one or read that one. So like that, it's like everything available on the internet for free. You don't have to worry, or you don't have to buy heart any bulky coaching things which people give you. Okay, then see here, ethics will start. So lexicon you will do. Okay, chapter 1, you don't need 2 hours to read a chapter in ethics textbook. It's a very small textbook. So you will be reading like this. Why I am doing all this? Because when the mains test series starts, you should be ready for that also. Okay, which will start in October. So like this, it's going on. Now September month is going on. You will be doing like polity, Lakshmikant is going on. Previous year papers, MCQ is going on. And more chapters. Okay, this is all Lakshmikant. If you see, like around 1.5 months, I am making you do only polity. Okay, but meanwhile, your mains thing is also going on. So here, if you see, 2.5 hours fully for mains topics, agriculture. So what to read? You have to just Google it. All the schemes will come, or at least the Modi government schemes last 5 years. It will come in just 2-3 PDF or PBA, PIB, or as I told, Rajya Sabha TV. All these things will be there. You just have to sit and read. Okay, and more videos I'll also do, but that is not part of the course. So like this, we have given what is prelims, what is mains, STG, STG. Every keyword which you see here, right? All these are picked up from your syllabus or your previous year paper. Okay, I will guarantee you that if you do things like this, you will not miss even one topic for your mains. Okay. See, G20 related bodies, then this banking related bodies, international bodies. Now September is going on. So September month I am like ending here, because next month onwards your mains is starting. Okay, so here if you see, all these things are actually explained in the other video also. Okay, the 365-day video, but I'm just, because there were some changes till October, I'm just explaining line by line. So here if you see, world history you will start studying, like industrial revolution, economic depression. These are all mains questions. Okay, previous year UPSC have asked detailed questions, and I promise you that I will also ask you a question. I will make you write this topic in mains. Okay, in my test series. Like for example, see October month, October 3, your mains test will start. So MFTS 0, it will be like M0, then 1, 2, 3, okay, like that up to 20. So 21 tests will be there in total. So here, if you see Saturday and Sunday coming together, so obviously you will confuse, like now mains is there, prelims will there, how will I do everything? That is why if you see, when I gave you the question paper, only I think 10 questions will be there in the first test. I will show you that also, brochure also. So this one, these 2 days, I will not make you study any prelims. This is allocated for your mains. So you will write it, you will submit it in 2 days. Okay, 48 hours. You will submit the answer. I will evaluate and I will give you back the answer paper. Okay, that it will take time because obviously I have to correct all the papers. I'll give you back. Meanwhile, the Sunday, a prelims test will be given to you according to the schedule, and you have to study that only on the Monday. Okay, I will not make you force you study it on Sunday, because Sunday you are busy with your mains test. So everything will be taken care, because what other coaching institute do is they overlap the prelims and mains, and students get confused halfway through the journey. They will feel like I did a wrong decision, I should not have joined this institute. But Vaishya will take care that you will not overlap anything. You will study both prelims and mains without any overlap. Okay, you will complete everything. So like this, if you see here and all, I am making you study GS1. Why? Because MFTS 1 which you write here is based on this. Okay, if there are 10 questions here, there will be one question on globalization, there will be one question on Italy, one question on Germany, one question on post-independence. That is why I am making you study this. Okay, so like that, every test when you reach, I guarantee you that you would have read it already. Okay, and if you don't know also, if you don't submit, meaning if you send me a blank paper also, obviously your mark will be 0, but you will get a model answer paper immediately after the submission. In that model answer, these things will be detailedly explained. Okay, that is what I'm telling. Every topic what is written here will be taught to you through the model answer, either before the exam or after the exam. So then here if you see, economics test is going on, and from here actually there is no change. Okay, no change means batch 1 which is already running, batch 1 and batch 2, nothing has changed. Okay, I think some study things I have swapped here and there, but the test wise nothing is there. Okay, no change is there, because the batch 1 also will be taking on this date RS Sharma, you will also be taking this date on RS Sharma. So I will not keep explaining everything, because then it will take a long time. Okay, I don't want to make a lengthy video. So that one, you watch the existing video. All these, okay, all these are same. And if you see here, I think from here October mid onwards or something, I have put optional date. Okay, see here, I have put 2 hours for optional. So this, because we don't provide you any course, you have to take your textbook or your previous year paper, your notes, whatever, and start studying optional every day. Okay, like 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, like that, at least 30, 40, 60 hours, I think it will be there in total. Okay, because everywhere I would have put like optional. So those days, do your optional studies alone. Okay, wherever you see optional. So like this, your optional studies is going on, but we don't put it in the test series. That's what I told in the beginning in the presentation. It's part of the timetable, but it's not part of the test series. Okay, we don't teach you anything, you have to study yourself. Okay, so these things and all, where to study, I'll tell you. Okay, actually Mrinal is a good channel. All these things, you will get notes also, you will get video lecture also free of cost on Mrinal. Okay, so that's why we don't teach anything here, it's not required. Also, it's all part of your current affair. There is nothing static here. It's all news and schemes will be there. New schemes will be there in news, or some scams will be there that you have to learn. Okay, so here see, lot of optional days are there. Here also options are there. So that's what I told. 2 hours if you take like this, at least 60 plus hours I have allocated. Okay, so that's why this is a one shot timetable for everything. Again, pause and see January, February, March. So if you see here, by February your mains is ending. Okay, see MFTS 1920 submission, your mains test series is over. Now you will continue the prelims. Why? Because prelims you have reached only 46 tests and I am giving you 75 tests. Okay, so it will continue again. Environment Lakshmikant test number 8. Okay, because remember we did already 6-7 tests in the starting based on textbook. This one will be based on syllabus, meaning what is outside Lakshmikant, or maybe miscellaneous, or maybe the 6th edition of Lakshmikant. There are new editions coming every year, so those extra questions will come in these tests. Okay, so again it will go on like this. The full tests will start. See, geography full test, February current affair, history full test 2, and meanwhile we are revising. Okay, all these things which you have already done you will be revising. So if you join now, you will be getting time for revision. If you simply become lazy and become that enquiry specialist, which I call, that's the term which I use, enquiry specialist, because you come and ask, get the brochure, then think, then after next ad comes, again come and ask. I know students who keep asking me brochures every week. I don't know what they do with that. Okay, every week they're coming and asking for the same brochure. If you don't want to join, don't join. Okay, like Vaishya, it's not like your style of studying, it's not suiting, you think this is not genuine, this thing, you think this test is not enough, don't join, it's over. But please don't come and inquire and waste your own time. I want you to invest that time in putting into some other institute which you like and go and join, because if you have to clear this exam, you have to study 300 days. Okay, that's a mandatory thing. There is no shortcut to this exam. You have to study 300 days with full sincerity. So if you are joining, join. If you are not joining, just stay away and focus on the other things which you want to do, but please study. So if you see here, all these are revision, and see June 6th the test series will get over, both batch 1 and batch 2. Okay, and you are ready for mains also. I don't know when the prelims date is because the date is not out. It will be mostly in July, I think, for 2021. So you have more time after this also. Then after that there is a at least 100-day gap will be there for mains again. And you are a student of Vaishya, means you have already written 300 answers. You are knowing everything. Okay, so if you clear prelims, you should clear if you do this way of study, then next 100 days you will revise your mains and optional, and you will be ready for mains also. So that is why this is a complete course. Okay, complete way to study, and this is the way to study. Okay, no other institute is telling you like every day, every hour what to do. So if this is okay for you, you have to come and join. Now the video again I'll show you. You have to watch this video June to June and this June to June test series enrollment. Okay, because in this one I'm opening the brochure and explaining. Obviously the dates like from June to September will be the older dates, but you don't have to worry. The batch 2 who will join now, you will get it the newer date which I showed you in the Excel sheet. Okay, now which I explained some time back. So watch this, you will see the brochure. Else now if I have to show again, it will be a lengthy video. Okay, I'll have to open the PDF again show you. Okay, so it will have no difference. Only the initial test dates will be as per the timetable I explained now, nothing else. And going back to the presentation, sorry, yeah, okay, this and all you can pause and see. This is just comparison of the courses available in market in different languages, in different online portals, website, academies, with PDF, without PDF, with video explanation, without video explanation. So what Vaishya is do, that I'll show you. Okay, like is it worth? That's what ultimately you want to know. Is it worth? Will it have UPSC standard? So we care only about UPSC standard, and we care about our result. Okay, like last year we had 50 plus questions coming in prelims and around 40 to 60% question coming in mains. So we want to repeat that result, and that is the only thing we care about. So if that is okay with you, then this is the place for you. Okay, and your journey, prelims, mains, and interview guidance will be free for all who clears mains. If you are a Vaishya student, there will be no separate course for that. Okay, and free videos for all these things are there in the channel itself. Okay, interview guidance and all. Now our model. Okay, people ask like what you will get. So prelims enrollment will continue any number of enrollment till like as I told now 2020 student. Even today morning, and I think 2 people came and inquired because they want to study next 80 days or something which is left. They want to study like that. Prelims enrollment will continue throughout the year, but if you join now, you can study weekly in a disciplined way. It will be soft copy PDF, detailed PDF. Every test will have a question PDF and answer PDF. Okay, so question PDF, you can take the answer PDF directly and study like a magazine. Okay, question answer with detailed explanation and news link and textbook references. Everything will be there. Okay, if you need a free test, that also I'll give you. Come and mail me for April free test, because the April current affair is what we are giving as a sample to everyone. Okay, so you can see that and then you can decide. So it is PDF format. You will get it in the email. There is no WhatsApp delivery and all. It will be given in email in a disciplined fashion in the timetable mode. Okay, like whichever date, the whatever test, you will get it, and we will promise you the best content, because we, as I told, I want to hit the hit ratio every year. Mains, limited enrollment. Like last batch we told 30 and it crossed, I think more than 100 students already crossed. So that's why now many more students are asking. So I'm doing the batch 2, but here I won't let it go beyond 30 because I have to correct the papers. So already burden is too much. So mains or the combo enrollment which you do, prelims plus mains, it will be only for 30 people. Okay. But prelims, even if like only prelims 100 people come, I don't mind, because it's obviously the PDF format which we give. We don't have to evaluate anything for you. We don't have to sit and talk with you of too much things. Okay, but mains is an interactive thing. So I need only the best 30 students to come. Okay, who missed the first batch or something. Only you people come. Others you can still keep and like inquiring and thinking and wasting time. It's up to you. But the best 30 students you have to join this week itself. Okay, because after that please don't come and ask. Detailed evaluation and model answer will be there, one-to-one feedback will be there, and we'll promise you the best content again. As I told, the hit ratio of mains was high for 2018, that we want to repeat. Okay, and they'll be taking you from beginners level to master level. To understand this, as I told, watch that other video, okay, where I'm explaining the brochure. In that I'm clearly explaining what each test will be, what subject it will be, what is the meaning of beginners level, what is the meaning of masters level, everything in that video it is there. Okay, it's just an 18-minute, 20-minute video. Please watch that video. Okay. So combo, as I told, limited enrollment, because in this mains is included. I need only 30 students. So the combo will be given only to 30 students. Okay. But the prelims alone, any number of students can come. So this is how it is. This is the prelims pack. This is the mains pack. Prelims is a 1-year schedule. Mains is a 5-month schedule. This will have complete GS1 75 test, which is 7,500 MCQs. This is 21 test, around 280 answers you will write, word by word evaluation, feedback, as I told. Then here revision chart and snippet card, it will be 250 revision charts and 60 snippet cards. Okay, we have increased a little bit compared to last year. As I told, this will be online reading, or you can take a printout and read. That's how you will study. Okay, this is the learning method and this is the writing method. Okay, combo is what the best students should buy. WhatsApp number is given here. This is where you have to come and message me. Okay, so again, just a brief thing of picture format, whatever you saw in textual format, it's written. Okay. There is no video explanation. There is no complicated portals. Okay, and the coverage will be history, art and culture, geography, polity, schemes, economy, environment, from all these textbooks. Okay, current affairs, 12 months will be there. Remaining you have to buy as an add-on. Okay, economic survey budget is included. Full length tests are included. Okay, so these are all in the brochure. It's there. Okay, like I told, second Sunday of August 16th, you will get the first NCERT test. But when you join, immediately you will get the June month current affair, because it's already over. Okay. Thereafter, every alternate Sunday. Then mains test will be on October 3, that is first Saturday, and thereafter every or alternate. Okay, there is like varying. There are some 2 weeks gap in between some tests. There is 1 week gap in some test. Okay, that you can see the PDF brochure. This is the prelims test mapping. All these 75 tests you will get. Okay, everything you will get. Only thing is June current affair I'll give you right away. Remaining all is part of the schedule. Okay, the schedule I have already shown you. Then mains. Okay, it's here itself. Beginner level is this thing, 3rd October, and master level is this wave 5. We are doing it in waves, meaning every week or every 2 weeks, I will make sure that you have improved compared to the last year. Okay. An improvement doesn't mean marks. Okay, obviously you will not get the same mark which you get in GS1 and GS2, because GS1 will be much more easier because it's static. Okay, it's history, geography and all. But in GS2 will be dynamic. GS3 is the toughest one, and even the topper, okay, if you go and check the toppers mark, GS3 they would have got very less mark, because GS3 is very dynamic. So don't compare like weekly I will get good marks. It's not like that. You have to see that in the first GS1 test you got something, you should get more than that in the next GS1 test. Okay, so your comparison should be between GS1 to GS1 or GS2 to GS2. That's how you know whether you are improving or not. And this is all well sorted. Every topic from the syllabus will be covered in each test. Details are again there in the brochure. Essay test is there. One specific essay test is there. And like this, the dates will be there. Saturday. Some are alternative and some are like 2 weeks gap, like 1 week gap. There's some differences. But by 14th February, you will complete all the things. 21 tests. 280 questions. It's written here. 100% UPSC syllabus without the optional. Okay, there's no optionals for test. And the pricing, the final thing which you want to know, it has been like kept almost the same as the first batch with slight variation, because they came first, because they were like believing in Vaishya for the first time. They came and enrolled, so obviously they'll have a slight advantage, but still we have kept lower price. If you see, the total price is actually this the one which you see on top. So total it will be around 37,000, which is the full package. Okay, but we are not giving you at 37,000, and if you add up the second offer price, this is 9,500 and this is 20,000, so around I think 30,000 again. Okay, like suppose you decide today I will buy prelims, after 10 days I'll buy mains, again you are losing the combo, because that will be around 30,000. But today or this week, if you come and buy, that is before August 1 schedule starts, you are going to get it at 24,999. That's the same price I've given to the first batch also, and this is the lowest ever. If you see, it's like almost the same as mains individual package price. I'm giving you both. Okay, and even our team did not agree to this, but batch 1 was very happy with it. They are giving excellent feedback, so I don't want the other missed out people to have any unfair this thing. So we are giving you the same price, but this will be only in July, as I told, meaning the next 7 days I'm giving you, because this package itself is designed for only those students who missed out the thing. So you don't have to think twice about this. If you need it, buy it. If you don't need it, don't buy it, as I told. But this will be only for this week, and August 1 onwards, I want you to sit and study every day, like I told, 6 hours or 9 hours, sit and study. I want you to clear this prelims in this very first attempt. Okay, so this is the success pack, which I call. Again, I'm showing the same thing. This is the prelims mapping, this is the mains mapping. Okay. So as I always tell, we are trying to build a huge community of whom? Of the most serious UPSC aspirants. Okay, so even if 10 people come, 50 people come, we don't care. But those should be the most serious aspirants in the country. Okay, and we will do this together. Okay, we'll be there to support you. And if you need any more details, just come and WhatsApp me. Even enrollment, come and WhatsApp me. Everything is through WhatsApp for the initial faster communication. But test delivery, everything will be through email. Okay, official email ID. You will get confirmation for everything through email. So let's go get your big dream, UPSC dream in style. Okay. Help us help you fulfill your dream. This is the WhatsApp number. I'll wind up this video now. Watch these videos, okay? Because without this, please don't ask queries. We will be there with you to support you only if you are serious, okay? So let us know any more queries. Go and watch the teaser video again, because in the comment section there are enough and more feedback from students, so that also will add up to your decision making whether you want to join or not. So this is the course, this is the batch 2, and there will be no batch 3. This is your last chance to buy, last 1 week. Okay, so enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.